Good morning, sweetie. What do you like for breakfast today?
Can I have an omelette with peppers and butter on toast, Mom?
Of course. How many eggs do you want in your omelette?
I need 2 eggs.
And how much pepper in it?
Just a little bit, please.
Okay, I'll also add a teaspoon of water to make it fluffy. Do you like to make an apple pie with me for dessert today?
Yes, I love apple pie, Mom. You're the best.
All right, honey. Now, breakfast is ready. Enjoy it. Hey, sweetie, let's make an apple pie.
Yes, Mom. So, what do we need to make an apple pie?
Great. First, we need to gather all the ingredients. We'll need apples, flour, sugar, milk, water, and butter.
How many apples do we need, Mom?
We need about 12 apples.
And how much each of other ingredients?
Well, let me see. To make an apple pie, we also need 500 grams of flour, 300 grams of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 300 milliliters of milk, and 120 milliliters of water.
And just a little butter.
How long will it take to make an apple pie, Mom?
It will take about an hour to prepare and bake the pie.
If we buy one from the bakery, how much is it?
It's about $22, but we have more fun to make it at home together, sweetie.
Yeah, I got it, Mom.